guys, welcome to another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at a few of the colours out of Madam Glam's new November collection. So the name for this collection is the Sanctuary collection. So this month's collection is made up of 8 gorgeous vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free formula, palm oil-free and hema-free gel polishes. We've got some beautiful autumn shades. Look at this one. Look at that green, guys. A real khaki green, what I've not got. I'm not a massive fan of green, to be honest. When I first started picking my shades, I was finding myself picking the sort of colours that I like. But just lately, I've been quite good and I've been starting to pick colours that I've not actually got. Because it is really frustrating sometimes when you want to do a design, a certain colour, and you've not got that colour. It's a really nice kind of purpley brown colour. I'm going to swatch them to start with, and then we're going to do a little design using a couple of the colours. Ooh, look at my new labels for my swatch sticks as well, guys. What do you think to them? How cute are they? With the little gel polish bottle on the bottom, look. I love them. You'll see my new label maker in my upcoming AliExpress video. It's really, really cool. I love it. I can't wait to get all my swatch sticks labelled. So the first one is Grey Skies. Super pretty light grey colour. Look at that. I love that. Really, really pretty. Madam Glam gel polishes cure in an LED lamp for 30 seconds. Next one is Are We Lost? Really unusual mustard colour. And we've got Everglades. So this one's like a kind of khaki green. And then the last one is Follow Me. And then that one is like a kind of purpley brown. And then a bit of a hint of burgundy as well. I'm so bad at explaining colours, sorry guys. But you can see the colour. So that's them all swatched, guys. Look at those. They are some proper autumn colours, aren't they? So they've all had a coat of Madam Glam's shiny top coat on the top half. And Madam Glam's velvet matte top coat on the bottom half. I'm loving that light grey. Especially matte, obviously. See, these are just not my kind of colours whatsoever, and I really struggle with what to do with colours that I'm not that keen on. You throw pastels or bright neons at me, I know exactly what I want to do with them, but then coming to colours that are not my kind of colours, I really struggle. But everybody has different tastes, so I do need to start doing more designs that are not my kind of designs, not using my favourite colours. So I am going to start pushing myself outside my comfort zone. And look at these two together, guys. I never thought I would say that, but look at those two together. They look really smart, don't you think? I think I'm going to do something with those two today. I quite like that Follow Me in the grey as well together. No, I'm going to use the Are We Lost and grey, because that Are We Lost is definitely not my kind of colour, so I'm going to push myself outside my comfort zone. Yeah, so these two is what I'm going to use today. So I'm going to get set up, guys. and then I'll pop back in a minute. So guys, we've got Gucci in today. Gucci loves testing out Madam Glam's new colours. So I'm going to start off by giving the middle nail and the ring fingernail a coat of Are We Lost. And then on the pinky nail and the pointer fingernail, I'm going to be using Grey Skies. I'm going to cure them for 30 seconds. So I've given those another coat off camera, guys. So they've had 2 very thin coats. Now I'm going to seal them all in with the Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat, because I'm going to be doing artwork on these, and I just find doing any artwork is so much easier on a matte surface. Cure them in the lamp for 30 seconds. So I've pulled out my Madam Glam striping brush and the Madam Glam's black gel paint, and I'm going to be painting a black border around all 4 nails. So I'm starting off making the line super thin, and then I'm just going to come in and thicken it up. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds, because the Madam Glam gel paints cure in 60 seconds, guys, in an LED lamp. And then I shall do the other 3 of these nails off camera, because it is a bit repetitive. Then once I've done that, we'll get on to the next step. So I've pulled out Reset, and I'm going to pop a little bit of this on my palette. So this is a darker grey than Grey Skies. I only need a teeny tiny bit. Literally, that is all I need. And I've pulled out some of 5th Avenue. And that one is Glam Volcano. I'm not sure which I'm going to use out of those 2 yet. Just popped a little bit of both on there for now. So that's all the black outline done, all fully cured. And again, using the Madam Glam striping brush, I'm going to pop a little bit of Reset on my brush, and I'm just going to do a little one of those, and that is it, like that. I'm going to do the same on this nail here. Now I think I'm going to use 5th Avenue on these. Or am I? Maybe I'm not. Maybe I'm going to use Glam Volcano. Yeah, so I've used Glam Volcano. Give them a quick cure. Now I've pulled out the Madam Glam's white gel paint. And we're going to do the same kind of thing, but on the opposite side. Like this. Like that. Like that. Like that. I'm going to flash cure them because there's more I need to do on that, so I'm just going to flash cure them for about 15 seconds. And then I'm just going to do a little dash like that. So guys, that's all the cartoon work done. Now I want to make these a little bit autumny. So I'm going to use the black gel paint again. I'm just going to do a line like that. And then the same on this one. Going the opposite way. Like that. Then using my striping brush, I'm just going to paint some leaves. On there. On there, on there, on there, and on there. Cure that for 60 seconds. Just going to do a couple of these little dashes on these. This is going to be quite hard because my eyesight is so bad just lately. And then pop those in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Right guys, these are just about finished now. So I'm going to give them all a coat of Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat. And then that'll be them finished. We'll have a look at them. I think these comic book nails look so much better when they're matte. I just think it completely transforms them. So that is them finished, guys. What do you think? I think they look proper smart. I really like them. And these comic book nails are really in fashion at the minute. And then with the autumn colours and the leaf pattern, I just thought it was great for this time of year. Let's take a quick look at the swatches again very quickly, guys. So that's the swatches. So we've got Grey Skies, Are We Lost, Everglades and Follow Me. Great colours. What do you think about these colours together, guys? Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are. Are they your sort of colours? Are they your sort of design? Or neither? But I'm really happy with how they turned out. So like I said, these are out of Madam Glam's new November collection, which is called Sanctuary Collection. I want to say a massive thank you to Madam Glam for sending me these colours for us to have a look at. They're really smart. Everything that I've used today, guys, I'm going to leave listed in my description box below. I've also got a Madam Glam discount code as well. You'll see in the top right hand corner of the screen is GG30. So if you do place an order, don't forget to save yourself some coinage. Madam Glam do a VIP membership as well, guys. If anyone's interested in finding more out about that, click my Madam Glam website link in my description box and you'll find all the information that you need to on that over there. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you're not already. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.